Looking for a way to stay fresh in the spots that it matters the most?
Well, the team at Manscaped have created the first all-in-one solution, the Performance Package Kit 4.0. It has all the things you need to keep your bits in check down below.
First off, the star of the show, it's the waterproof and cordless Lawnmower 4.0 body trimmer.
The production and the details on the 4.0 are next level.
The skin-safe technology on the Lawnmower 4.0 is simply amazing.
If you have a waterproof trimmer, you can trim in the shower. If you want to go and stand out in the rain while you trim, go for it.
It has a 4000K LED light to help illuminate areas that otherwise don't see the light of day.
And when it's fully charged, you can get up to 90 minutes of usage.
You could shave yourself many times over with that.
Next up, we have the Weed Whacker.
This is a nose and ear trimmer.
This will smack your weeds out of the nostrils, I'm telling you now.
A couple of bottles that have come with this pack as well, the Crop Preserver.
And the Crop Reviver. It refreshes your bits down under.
This is the smell of a man that looks after himself.
If you order the performance package, you're going to receive 2 free gifts.
This beautiful travel bag.
And friction-reducing boxer shorts.
This is like a freaking treasure box.
Manscaped has everything you need.
Just remember, your balls will thank you.
Go to manscaped.com and order yours today.